Hi guys, my name is Purva. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And it's December, and I guess most of you don't know that December is my favorite month because it is my birthday month. And this time I am back with another video that is related to the products that I ordered from Nykaa for this month and especially for my birthday. So, without wasting any time, let's get into the video and let's see what I got from Nykaa. So, before we start, um, please do like, share, and subscribe to the video. And just we are so close to 1000 subscribers, and we are more than 800 today. And so I hope please जितना शेयर कर सकते हो जितना सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो प्लीज डू बिकॉज इट रियली मीन्स अ लॉट and yeah, so without wasting, let's get it. So I ordered four products from Nykaa, and it came into two packaging. Plus Nykaa पे एक बहुत अच्छी option है, that is in your birthday month, Nykaa offers you one extra gift for your birthday. So I'm really excited to see कि इन सब में क्या क्या है, because I don't know अभी कि दोनों boxes में से किस में क्या है. So let's open, and this is our knife. इससे हम इन डब्बों का कत्ल करेंगे and we'll check it out कि किस box में क्या निकलता है. So we'll start with the first box because I think इसमें एक या दो product होंगे. So let's just check it कि ये क्या है and how it is. So we'll open. I'm really excited for this because I was planning a few things to shop from Nykaa, but COVID करके I was not getting time for it, so I decided to buy everything this time. That was in my list that was pending. So ये हमारा first box open हो चुका है and काफी कुछ लग रहा है. इसमें तो ये कचरा ही है, कुछ है नहीं. This is the bill and this is the okay. So this might be the hair oil that I ordered. So I ordered hair oil from biotique. So yes, this is a biotique hair oil. It was from BHRINGRAJ therapeutic hair oil for falling hair. I made another video for hair oil and I'll link it in this, तो आप प्लीज वो भी चेक कर लेना. So मैंने काफी रिव्यूज सुने हैं इस हेयर ऑयल के, तो I will try this and I will share it with you कि कैसा है, did it work. पैकेजिंग बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत स्लीक पैकेजिंग है and plus totally sealed है. I guess you can see proper packaged है, product अच्छा है and it comes in 200 ml packaging जो मैंने order की है, और it is priced at 265 rupees, but I got it for like 199 or so. Let me check the bill. I got it for 189 because ये discount पे था. So this is the first product that I got. इसको साथ साथ पैक कर देना चाहिए because at the end बहुत कचरा हो जाएगा और मेरे लिए संभालना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. So before packing, let me show the packaging again. This is the product. बहुत liquid consistency है, अच्छा है काफी. So this is for hair fall and जिनके बाल थोड़े थोड़े ग्रे हो रहे हैं, so उनके लिए. So this is the first product that I got. Now let's open the big packaging because इसमें मेरा birthday gift भी होगा and that is what I'm really excited to see. ये हमारा वही खूनी चाकू, और हम इससे करेंगे डब्बे का खून ताकि हमें ये पता चले कि डब्बे के अंदर क्या है. So I don't know ये इतने टेप क्यों लगाते हैं भाई, मुझे कोई एक्साइटमेंट में नहीं दम निकल जाए इंसान का खोलने में. Okay, so this is the, I guess it's open now. According to me, it should be one. क्या रह गया है? Okay, I forgot to cut the tapes from one side. Excuse me for this, because it is so embarrassing. Yeah, it's open now. Let's just take it out. इसमें क्या है? I am. अरे यार, sorry. We have a few more tapes over here. काफ़ी अच्छी पैकेजिंग है ताकि बिल्कुल भी कोई चीज़ बाहर ना आए, लेकिन इतनी ज़्यादा पैकेजिंग की ज़रूरत नहीं थी कि बंदे को खोलने में काफ़ी टाइम लग जाए। इसमें सबसे टॉप पे है बिल, ताकि तुम्हें पता चले कि कितना खर्चा किया है। वही ओके 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 सो दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट आई गॉट। Okay, I'll share everything one by one. So I ordered this Colossal mascara for myself because actually I'm a newbie in terms of mascara. I have never used this and मुझे लगाना भी नहीं आता honestly. But it's my birthday, so I thought कि I will use this on my birthday. So yeah, this is the mascara and it has 10 ml product quantity and it is priced at 399. But ये मुझे काफ़ी cheap पड़ा है. I'll share the exact price that I got it for. Better Colossal mascara. I got it for 279 and it is priced for 399. You can see काफ़ी अच्छा डिस्काउंट पे था ये. तो yes, I have tried it. बाकी I'll share a detailed review कि ये कैसा है because it is twice volume and it can last up to 12 hours as the product claims, but let's see how it works. Okay, I found my birthday gift, but I'll show it later on. So I have heard many things for this product, pantene oil replacement. So actually this product can work in 4 terms as it says. It is an oil replacement. तो आप शैम्पू से पहले इसको 30 मिनट्स के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हो जैसे आप कोई और ऑयल यूज़ करोगे. सेकेंड, इट कैन बी यूज एज सीरम. गीले बालों में आप हेड वॉश के बाद यूज़ कर सकते हो. इट कैन बी यूज एज अ कंडीशनर ऑल्सो and it can be used as a heat protectant. So this is a 4-in-1 product. So it cost 90 rupees and I guess it was for an MRP. I think so. Yeah, it is priced at 90 and it was on MRP, but I wanted to try this, so I got it. Yes. So this is everything the product has. I was looking for okay, it comes in 80 ml product quantity for ₹90, which I think is a good deal, but I'll share a detailed review once I try it. So this is a tresemme shampoo which I ordered it from mother. I don't know where is my khuni chaku so that I can open the tape this time. I will share an individual review of all the products later on. So let's just open the shampoo. It is from their new range, Detox and Restore. So basically the product is a color protecting shampoo because my mother uses little bit of hair dye or color due to aging. So it is priced at 245 for 340 ml. The price is quite affordable, but tresemme products do have sodium and parabens and other chemicals. So I'll post a detailed review after consulting my mother. So let me share the price at which I got it for 208 rupees. It was on discount also. So last but not the least, I'll be sharing my birthday gift from Nykaa. So this is what I got from Nykaa as a birthday gift. I always wanted to try this because इसमें ना actually काफ़ी सारे products, काफ़ी सारी range है इस product में. It is a their go for glow face mask और detox face mask है. इसमें काफ़ी सारे कलर्स हैं. I have seen pink, light green, grey. तो मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि कौन सा किस पर्पस के लिए है honestly. So thank you Nykaa for this because इसकी पैकेजिंग हम ओपन कर सकते हैं पर मैं बर्थडे गिफ्ट. तो ओके, okay, so it comes with this छोटू सा brush from Nykaa, and this is the Go for Glow face mask, detoxifying face mask. It is paraben free, cruelty free, and SLS free also, which makes it a good product. It is a price of $7.99, which I got for free. I'm so lucky. And yeah, so this is everything, and it is made in Korea. It has small glitter particles. I don't think it would be visible from here. So yeah, I'll use it, and it has this spatula for application, which makes it quite it's a silicone spatula actually. तो इससे आपका कोई भी प्रोडक्ट वेस्ट नहीं होगा, and you can actually save more. So I'll post a detailed review for individual products one by one, only once I use them. So till then, please bear me for this. But these are the things that I got from Nykaa, and this special birthday gift for the birthday girl in her birthday month. So yeah, this is everything that I got. So yeah, that's all for this video, and thanks everyone for watching this. And before you go, I would again request you to please like, share and subscribe to this video, and we are very close to 1K subscribers. So I'll be posting more such content, and do share your reviews in this comment section so that I can get to know how you felt about it and how is everything going. So yeah, thank you for everything, and that's it. बिना और बकबक किए मैं यहाँ से जा रही हूँ. So yeah, bye.